Hey, what's up guys, it's Flex and welcome back. So in today's video, I want to upgrade the side mirrors on this 2015 Audi A4 S-line. And what do I mean by upgrading? Well, I want to upgrade the turn signal to a dynamic turn signal, and I want to install some carbon fiber covers as well. So the dynamic turn signal is going to give it a sequential light pattern when I turn on the signal, and I think that's going to look really cool. And I want to thank DMP Car Design for sponsoring this video and providing me with the turn signal for this car. And if you want more information on the products in this video, use a link in the description below. So let me show you the products and then we'll get to the install. Here are the signal mirror lights. It looks like it's an exact replacement to the OEM one, but of course this will have that cool dynamic sweeping of the turn signal. It'll plug right into the side mirror, and this blue wire will be wired up to a power source, so that way this will have this cool startup light when I unlock the car. Let's go ahead and get these installed. I'm going to start by first removing the mirror carefully. It should pry right off. And then next, I'm going to unclip this connector here. And then I'm going to remove these two, but I marked the one on the inside with an I just so that I know that one will go inside when I replace it. So before I remove the cover, there's actually a screw right here that I'm missing that needs to be removed. And there is a clip right here and right here that needs to be unclipped. Now I can pull the cover off by first pulling on the lower portion outwards. So I'm going to pull it out, and then I'm going to pull the cover right up. So this is actually my second time doing this, but the first time I needed a pry tool to really pry it up off from the side of the mirror. Now I'm going to disconnect the light. And then I'm going to remove two Torx screws holding the light to the mirror cover. And now I should be able to pop the light right off of the cover. Here's the brand new light. The install is just reversed, so I'm going to set it in place. I'm going to reinstall the two Torx screws. I'm going to reconnect the power source back to the light. And for this blue wire that powers up the startup light, apparently I can't use it. It actually needs to be tapped into the puddle light, in which my car doesn't have. So for the time being, I'm just going to tuck it away. So now I can slide the cover back on the side mirror. Now I have the glass here, and I'm just going to reinstall all the connections. And lastly, I'm just going to snap the mirror back into place, and it should be good to go. So here's the carbon fiber mirror cover. It actually looks really good, and it snaps right on, just like this. But I need to first line it with some double-sided tape so it sticks to the side mirror. I'm going to start by cleaning the side mirror with some alcohol. This is just to make sure that the double-sided tape will stick really well to the side mirror. I'm going to peel back just some of the red film. And then I'm going to heat it up with a heat gun. Line it up on the side mirror. And then I'm just going to pull the rest of the red film while applying pressure. So what do you guys think? I think it looks awesome. The dynamic signal looks really cool and unique. And also the carbon fiber cover really matches with the theme that I'm going after for this car. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.